How to set up store on Shopify. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded Shopify app on your device. Now open it. Here we go. Now you'll get this option of get started or login. Tap on the option login. Tap on continue. Now from here you can choose your account, or also you can type in your email address and password link with your Shopify account to log in. After you log into your Shopify account, you will land to this kind of page. Now how to set up store. What you have to do is at the top right corner you can find this plus icon. Tap on that. From here you can easily set up your store. Firstly, you need to give a name to your store. What's your store name? You can just type in over here. After you are done, tap on this option of next. Let's get started. Which of these best describes you? I'm starting and I'm already selling online or in person. You can choose any of the options that is suitable for you. Here I will be selecting I'm just starting. After you select it, tap on next. Where would you like to sell? Here you will get tons of options. You can choose any of these options. After you choose, you can tap on this option of next. Which social channels do you want to sell on? Here you will get social media platforms option. You can choose any of these. Here I will be selecting few of these. After you select it, tap on the option next. Do you want to sell products through drop shipping? You can choose the option of yes, no, or I'm not sure. Here I'm gonna set it to I'm not sure. After you select it, tap on next. Now you can tap on this icon and select your country. After you select it, you can tap on this option of enter my store. With that, you have just created your store. You can see that I have just created my store on Shopify. Now you can set up your store. Firstly, you can add your first product. For that, you need to tap on this option of add your first product. From here, you can easily add your first product. You can give the product title. Likewise, you can add some description. You can set the price of your product. Likewise, you can upload the photos of the product. And with that, you will be good to go. Likewise, you can customize your online store. You can add a custom domain, configure your sales channels. Likewise, you can show your products and remove your store password as well. So this is how you can set up store on your Shopify account. This was all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.